What's up, guys? I hope you're having an amazing day. The first thing I want to say is thank you so much for the support on the last video. It really meant a lot. And today I want to talk about how everyone, almost everyone, can save 2.1% on everything in their life. Like seriously, you could, like, it's like living in a sale. So let's do it. Save 2.1% in everything in your life. I have two things that you need to do in order to pull this off. The first one we're gonna talk about is your freaking bank account. Look, like, I have been using Bank of America forever. And it wasn't until very recently that I really started digging in on this finance stuff that I learned how much of a ripoff my checking and savings account is. And then I heard an ad on the radio this morning that I was like, I can't even believe that people would sign up with them. But here's the thing. The ad on the radio this morning was like, just use your checking account once a month and waive the monthly fee. Why are you paying a monthly fee? Even Bank of America didn't do that on my checking account. Now, fees are the #1 enemy to saving and growing money. Do not be in a bank account this day and age that charges a fee. What you need to have is you need to have a checking account and you need to have a savings account that earns you real interest. Right now I'm using Ally.com. I earn 0.11% on my small balance, and that jumps up to 0.7% if you have over $25,000 or $35,000 in the checking account every single year. That's like making money. That's like not doing anything. My savings account earns 2% every year. And here's something to think about. Average inflation is typically around 2%. So if you're keeping your money, say we keep $1,000 in a savings account for a year and it earns no interest. That means at the end of the year, your $1,000 that has been sitting safely in that savings account is now worth $980. Whereas my money sitting in my Ally account is worth $1,000. So basically it's protecting me from inflation. Don't burn your money. Get a banking account that doesn't charge you fees, has no minimums, has interest. Just do it and thank me later. Number 2, by the way, just so those of you keeping track, that's 0.1%. You know, you can save 2.1%, that's the 0.1. The second way, this. Whoop, whoop, boom. Cashback credit cards. First rule, you have to be able to use credit cards properly. That means you need to be paying it off every month when it's due. No later, no earlier. That's the key. Every month. If you're not in a situation to do this, don't get another credit card. Figure out how to pay off your credit card debt first. I'll link a video up here talking about that. Don't do this part yet. Once you're in that place and once you're comfortably able to pay off your credit card debt every single month, get one of these guys. This is one of the best ones I've found so far. It's the Citi Double Cash. Obviously not sponsored, like that would be ridiculous. I have like 112 subscribers. How's Citibank gonna? Anyways, Citi Double Cash. You can earn 1% interest as you buy and 1% interest as you pay it off. So what that means is you earn 2% on everything you spend on this every single month, assuming you pay it off every single month, which we already talked about you're gonna do, right? So if you do both of those things, put everything you buy on this, pay it off every single month with the money in your checking account that's been earning interest, all of that money is going to earn interest while it sits in the bank account. And all of this money that you've spent also earned you interest. So you can save almost 2.1% every year on everything you spend. Almost. There's some things that don't take credit cards, but we won't talk about those. It's that easy. It's straight up that easy. That's it. Also, if you're an Amazon Prime addict like me, go ahead and grab yourself one of these. The Amazon Prime credit card. Not only is it aluminum, which is dope, you earn 5% back on Amazon. So buy everything on Amazon with that, everything else in your life with the Citi Double Cash, and you're earning money on money on money. And then we can put that money into some investments, which we will talk about later. That's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you're doing this already, let me know. I'd love to hear like what your experiences are with it. If you're gonna do this, let me know too. And I'd love to follow up and see how this works out. And if you do end up going this route, reach out to me. I'd love to have you on our podcast, The Financial Illiterates, ILLITERATES. And I hope you guys are listening to that. All the links are in the description. I will see you guys next time. Peace. Wait, we normally snap. It's been so long since I've done one of these, I kind of forgot. Bye. So it's Peter McKinnon. I feel you on these 2-Minute Tuesdays. I sat down, thought this video was gonna be like 30 seconds long. I've recorded for like 6.5 minutes. How do you make quick tips?